Okay, after open the box, just say line up all the products in front of you. Check every products with your instructions. Okay, say for examples, in here it says 2A, this is 2A, right? 2D, this is 2D. Okay, 2C, and this is 2C. 2B, and this is 2B. 2 spring, 2 spring. 8 of this F, that's a pack of 8. Screw and bolts and nuts, it's in a pack. So it's original pack. It should all the quantity be correct. So after that will be 6 of the E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of that. Okay, then the lots. This is the bar. Okay, 2 small one, which is J. Okay, 2 round one without any like cuts inside. This two bars like that is K. 4 of this one, okay, with a joint. 4 long one and 2 short one. Short is M. Okay, so make sure all the products is in there match with the instruction. This is the first important thing, because by counting all of them will give you some idea of what is each product. Okay, now I start the assemble them and install them. Right, 4 plates, which is 4 plates in here. So by doing this, we don't need the plate, so we can remove that so that we can focus getting all the lots built. Okay, and then we assemble the shells after that. Okay, so I remove all this one and then focus on this one. Okay, to do the installation, first of all, we start from the bottom. Okay, which is the C here. We put, I call this C is a shoes. Okay, we put 2 shoes at the bottom of the M. M is this one. We put, because this one on the top is a joint, so we put the shoes on the bottom here. Okay, just put the shoes on the bottom. Okay, if you want to be a little bit more perfect, then you can using a rubber matting and just tap it on it. Okay, to make sure it's tight. Okay, this one is built, and then the K is the one here. K is the one, it is 2 parts in here, which is doesn't have the joint. Okay, so K is this one. Let's just use one on the top. Again, if it's too stiff, just using rubber matting, gently tap it on the top. Okay. Okay, just gently tap on the top so that it will join to the bottom. Okay, so this is like that. That's one build. Secondly, after building these two, we put 2 L's in there. Okay, it's very important to know if your ceiling is very high, you can use either both of them or one of them, either one of them. Okay, if your ceiling is not too short, okay, join 2 first. Okay, what you do, just simply join them on the top. One. This is why this part got 4 pieces. And you have another one. Okay, that's it. Again, do this one, repeat. Okay, 2 of this one has been built. Now, the most important thing is now to put the springs and everything onto the top. So what you need to do, just follow the instruction in here. Okay. I is the spring. Put the spring in. Okay. You can hear. Right to the end of it. Okay. Then each one will have, this got 6 pieces. Each lot 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay. After putting 3 pieces, then put B on the top. B is this one. To put B on the top so that it will not come out. Will not come out. You just lock it in. Okay. Same again to do this one. Put the spring on first. Put it inside. Put 1, 2, 3. And then put these on the top. Okay. So this is done. So after that, we have to join these 2 in there. Oh, these 2, sorry, these 2. Okay. Before we put this one in, we has a screws in there. Put this one into J. What do you call? J. Yeah. Put in the J. One side and the other side. J. Then put it inside. Okay. Put like that. Put this inside. Put it on the top. Okay. This is actually the spring. Now, this is very important. Depends on the height of the ceiling. Okay. You can not to put. See, this high is the one that I put 3 inside. 3 of the black thing inside. Okay. So if you don't want it too high, you can reduce. You can reduce this one into just 1. By then, this becomes shorter. Comparatively, you have 3 of them. So this becomes shorter. If, okay, say for example, if you install it and you found it's too tall for me, okay, you can also adjust by take out 1 lot from here. Say for example, if it's too tall for me, then I'll take this off. And then I'll join this together. Okay? If it's, then I'll put this back in. 3 of these. Okay, it really depends. That means you can adjust the height by having this one on or not without. Depends on your circumstances. You don't have to put all the things into it. According to the height of the things you want to put it in. Say my ceiling is about here. So you leave some leverage so that the spring can hold on. But if my ceiling is a bit high, I've joined this in as well. Join this one from here and make it like this. Okay. Okay, so this is how it be. So the last thing to do after you put it in is to have the caps on the top. Okay, the cap on the top. Okay, this is actually for holding on the sealing itself. Say for example, if like this, I'll put this one right on there. Okay. One. Say for example, if my ceiling is this high, then what I'll do, I'll put it in here. So I take off one bar from here, so that it will be like that. Sits on the top. Before I install the shelves in there. So building this lot, it just totally depends on the height of your ceiling. You don't have to put everything on. Okay, you can use either 2 bars or 1 bar, or the plug, the black thingy, you can put either 3 of them in there or 2 of them in there. Depends on the height of your ceiling, or the gap in between, from the top to the bottom. Okay. Okay, the last thing to do is to just cut all this, to take out all the racking and the screw. Once you do that, you're just using the shelving. You can install the shelving according to the height you want. Okay, you can have either 4 of them or you can have 3 of them. Depends on your situation. Now I just installed 3 of these one. I'm going to install them into the doorway for you, so that you can see how you're going to do with this. So basically what to do first is this got a cut where the bar goes in. Okay, you just put the racks on it. Okay, put them on. Okay, put the rackets on it. Put the screw on. One side, and then do the other side. You don't have to screw it tight because you are not sure. By the time you're not sure how high it is, you better leave it as loose as possible, as long as it can just temporarily hold it on. Okay. You don't have to screw them tight. Once you do one shelving, then the second one is easier. Okay, you just put it on. Okay, basically it's halfway done. Okay, basically what it is, I just installed 3 shelving in there. Okay, if you want to have 4, you can adjust. Then what you do is to fixing it. Now, if I want this bit a bit higher, then I move it to the higher level, leveled out. Okay. Okay. If you want to fix it permanently, what you need to do, get a drill with a drill bit, a spanner, hold it on this side. Okay, once this shelving is permanently fixed, so it's quite sturdy. Now we try to demo you how to install it, either in the bathroom or whatever. So I'm using a shorter one, 3 shelving. If your space is higher, you can have 4 bars, 4 shelving. Okay. Now I'm using this door, for example, as a sample for you to show you how to install these products into it after you build the racks. Okay. So basically, what you do is to put the top first in, and let the spring to hold it, and then put this down. Okay, it's permanently fixed. You can install this one either in the bathroom to have your detergents or have your washing powders or whatever you can put on. If you put it in the garden, you can put some flower there.
Good watch.
Say for examples, you can put this in, nice and decor. You can put all this, a real plant there. Okay, no problem at all. The product is actually powder coated, and also the shelving is plastic. So water, whatever, it should be okay.